Now, for the final step and kind of what the magic step, your layer should be set up like this. So, layer one, I remember I have the visibility turned off on mine. I have my type layer, layer zero, which is my base image with a mask, and then my color fill image. What I'm going to do now, really simple, I'm going to turn on layer one. Ooh, looks like my type is not quite in the right place. So, I'm just going to go ahead and nudge that over. Right. Turn on layer one. With layer one selected, right? It's clicked on. Going to right click and go to create clipping mask. And it looks like I didn't quite get my text. If I zoom in here, you'll see I didn't quite have it where it needed to be, but that's great because I can still go here and I can relocate it. Is that it? Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Now, when I zoom out, there's a little bit of wonkiness up here with the show and me. So I wonder if I resize my text. Again, making sure I'm in my text layer. If I resize it or scooch it, oh, let's see, too far the wrong way. There, I think that looks really good. Great. So now maybe I'm going to crop it down some more. My ratio is still selected, so this should be an easy crop. I just grab the corner. Let me tighten this up a little. Up here. Because I really want this to be much more in your face, I think is probably the way I want to say it. So just being a little persnickety with my text. Great. And this last thing I need to do is go ahead and clean it up. So I can just slide my guide or I can clear it to get rid of my guide. I go up to view and clear guides. Maybe a little bit more cropping. Yeah. Okay. So once I've got this set up, I can go up to file and save. Make sure I name it. Let's call this one quote. First initial, last name. Typing this and you can't see it. So first initial, last name. Maybe you can. File, save, last name, dot quote. Save it as a Photoshop document. Go ahead and click save. Maximize capability is great. And then you're also going to save this as a JPEG. I want you to save it as both, so if you need to go back and edit it, you can. But for this project, I do want you to turn in the JPEG. So file, save as. I'm going to keep it named the same, but instead of saving it as a Photoshop document, change the drop down to a JPEG and click OK. And there you have it. So I hope that you do some really cool things. I can't wait to see what you all choose.